Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk to you quickly about Creative Fabrica. So I want to talk about their plans. I want to talk about how you can use their digital products and fonts for your business, and I'm going to do a few examples. A lot of their products, especially their print-on-demand products, are really good to use in your journal business or use their fonts just for journal covers and things like that. I want to be able to show you guys how you can download their fonts and use it in your Canva suite, and also how to download some digital products to make your journal business or your print-on-demand business better. So currently Creative Fabrica has an all-access subscription, which gives you unlimited access to over 5 million fonts and designs for just $1. And if you keep it after your $1 trial, you will be charged $19, which it used to be $29. So $19 a month for the cost. So jump on that deal. Creative Fabrica is really good. I showed you guys some of the mandalas I downloaded for coloring book backgrounds, which I still use till this day. I am definitely a fan. It's easier and quicker to navigate than some other websites. Make sure you guys check out the link in my description box, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. So we're gonna get into this Creative Fabrica video, and if you guys again are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do make sure I upload my podcast videos, content about print on demand, and more. Every week I upload 3 times a week. Here is the Creative Fabrica website, and I was talking to you guys in the beginning about the all access option that they have. Here you can try all access for just $1. I'm going to go ahead and click on that so you guys can see what it will look like when you go to sign up. You will get this message here, and it says subscription plan all access, $1 for the first 7 days, and after that you will pay $19 a month. This used to be $29. You'll get this promotion here, and all access means all access to everything, and I'll go in and log into my account to show you guys what that looks like. Make sure you sign up because it's a really good deal. So the all access subscription includes everything from the craft subscription, over 90,000 fonts, over 4 million graphics, over 100,000 cut files, over 30,000 embroidery files, and commercial license. So that, my friends, is a good deal. You can check out some of the reviews and some of the facts as well. You don't have to take my word for it, but this is an amazing deal. Back on the home page of Creative Fabrica, I kind of want to show you guys what they have. They have fonts here, lots of different styles. You can browse them. They have discounted fonts. They have so many different graphics, even KDP interiors. They have UX and UI kits. They have product mockups, patterns, coloring books. There is a craft section that is phenomenal. Also, if you're into like needlework, I myself crochet. They have some amazing crochet patterns. I have my eye on one. They also have classes. They have tools. They have a whole tab for print on demand, which is amazing. Bundles, and then more. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. I'm logged into my account, and the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to find fonts and then how to download them in Canvas. I am going to go to handwritten fonts just because I love the flow and the style of most handwritten fonts. I'm not looking for anything big, but I do want to go ahead and get through this. I'm going to look on the first page and kind of see if there's anything I like. And this Paradise handwriting font looks really nice. Now, again, remember, I do have the all access subscription. When this comes up, there is not a payment that I need to pay here. I'm going to go ahead and download the font. And one thing that's really important, make sure you guys, if you like something, follow the designer. And if you use it, come back and write a review. That definitely helps the people who make these designs and take their time to upload their work on these websites. And another thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add it to my favorites. I'm already following the designer. I added it to my favorite, and now my font is ready. It comes in a zip file, and I'm going to go ahead and just extract all. And I don't know, if you've never downloaded fonts, then you need to make sure you're doing this. You're going to hit Paradise, and then you're going to hit install. Now my Paradise font is installed, and I'm going to go over to Canva. In Canva, on your home page, you have this tab on the side that says Brand Kit. Once you click that, you're going to go over to Brand Fonts, and then you're going to hit Upload a Font. Here's my Paradise fonts here, and I'm just going to open it up. It's going to ask you, by uploading this font, you acknowledge that you own this and have the rights to use it. I'm going to say yes, upload anyway. It's uploading the files, and once it's done, you'll be able to see that font along with all your other fonts. Now, if you're using a different site, it basically works the same way. Here's the Paradise font right there. Let me go ahead and create something really quick and use the Paradise font. I'm just going to go here and change this to the Paradise font. Oh, there it goes. I just changed this to the Paradise font, and you can see that. I can make that bigger, but also with Canva, if that looks to be too close together, you can always take your fonts and change like the position and the spacing of the letters. It looks like that. That's just showing you quickly. If you're using a different website, downloading fonts are just the same. Uploading on a different designer or editor, it probably works a different way. But there you have the fonts from Creative Fabrica uploaded in Canva. Let's check out some other stuff. Like I said, I do crochet, so I'm going to check out some things under the needlework. And one thing that I saw was, I love sunflowers. So here's a sunflower crochet pattern. If I wanted this, I'll go ahead and download it. Again, I'm going to make sure I follow the designer, and I'm going to make sure I have already favored it. But just a few pictures here showing you the crochet sunflower, which I think is really cute. I'm going to go ahead and open that up, extract that file, and then you should have the PDF for the sunflower. It comes in lots of little different pieces, but that's downloading the sunflower crochet pattern. The moment you all been waiting for, because I talk about print on demand. This is a full-on print on demand section. So we can type in anything, coloring books, coloring page. They have so many different things here. They have different mandalas. They have kitty pictures, cute cat, cute dog. I'm sure if I put in flower coloring page, I'm sure I can find that too. Bam, flower coloring page. They might have some holidays, St. Patrick's, different items, shirt, nice fonts and things and patterns for shirts. What else can we do? Let's see, book cover. They have some mock-up book covers for you here. KDP interior, have lots of different things, temperature log book. They have a KDP interiors for just about anything. Budget planner, you have brainstorming, survival log, garden planner. And then also remember, we saw on the graphics file, you can go down to KDP interiors as well. I know they had a lot of planners that you can choose from as well. So here's a low niche competition, KDP niches. If I wanted this 2023 planner, I would just come right over here and download it. Again, remember guys, I'm using the all access subscription, so that's why things are a little bit easier. If you don't have that, you need to get it. Again, it's $1, and after it's done, you can go ahead and pay $19 a month. But look at this, it's so worth it. Like seriously, it's worth the dollar. And so you have to pay the $19.99 because look, beautiful planner here, commercial license that you get to use. Here's a planner, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And it's so simple to download and use. You would just take those images and move that right on over to your Canva. So quickly, if I go ahead and upload, I'm going to go to my downloads and the planner. Say I wanted to just upload that first page, and I remove this. And obviously this is not the size, but as you can see, fits perfect there in Canva for me to do whatever I need to do with it, okay? Everything is so easy and accessible to download. The website is really easy to use. If you are a designer yourself, you can sign up to be an artist on this page as well and sell your items. If you guys are interested in the subscription, don't forget to click the link so you guys can sign up for the subscription, for the all access subscription, and get access to some amazing products. I know I was not able to show you guys everything, but there's so much to explore, and you'll probably spend hours just on Creative Fabrica thinking of new ideas for your business. So I hope you guys enjoy this overview and demonstration of what you can do with Creative Fabrica. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.